Hello student, in this particular video I am going to show you the interfacing of PIC 18 with LED. Again we are going to blink that LED with a specific delay. Again I am going to show you how we can increase or decrease this delay. For that first we have to do the interfacing of the PIC 18 with LED with Proteus 8 Professional. So I will start with the first, that is interfacing the PIC 18 F with LED in Proteus 8. For the same, double click on Proteus F Professional. Say File, New Project. You have to create the folder for the same. So I'm going to create the folder for it in a on the desktop, because then it will be easy for me for accessing it. So I'm simply creating it with the name as LED interfacing with PIC 18. Open the folder, select the folder, say next. Here we are not going to select anything, so simply say next, next, next and finish. Now you will see the layout where you have to add the component first and then we can do the interfacing. For that, click on the P. Now here you have to write down which PIC you are going to select. So I am going to select PIC 184520. Select on it, say OK. Now as I want to interface the LED, so I am going to select the LED from the list. So I am going to use the LED as LED animated with green color. So you can select any other color also, but select the animated LED model. Now click on the PIC 18, drop it over here. I will increase this one. Then click the LED, drop it here. Now for interfacing it, simply I am going to interface the LED on the RD0. So you can use the pin for doing the connection. Now I have to connect the another terminal of the LED to the ground. For the same, go to the component model, select the ground, paste it here. Again, do the connection. We have to apply the VCC also. So for that, take the power terminal, click here, and with the pin, now you can do the connection. Now you can see the other pins also, but you don't have to do any kind of the connection to this pin. This connection will be taken automatically as per the need. Now this is what the interfacing, yet we have not dumped any hex file to this. Now for the hex file, we are going to use the MPLAB IDE V8.76. For that, click on it. Now go to the project wizard, say next. Here you have to select the same device which you have used for the interfacing. By default, the same device is there. So I am not going to write anything, otherwise you have to write it here. So the device is PIC 18F4520. Say next. Now you have to select the microchip C18 toolsuit. You don't have to select any other active toolsuit from it. Again, select the assembler over here. The path will be automatically been loaded in this location. If they are not loaded, you have to do the browse, and in the wherever you have by default the path is to in the program file. So from the program file in the MP suite, you will find all the exe over there. So you have to select it. So as my exes are already located properly, it is not needed for me to give the path of it. So I will simply say you have to do the you have to tick this, the store tool locations in a project. Say next. Then I'm going to give the same path which I have just now selected for this particular session. So I'm going to create over here, give any name to the file. I'm again giving the same name, LED interfacing. save it, say next. I'm not going to add anything. I will tell you how to add it. Say next and finish. Now after this, now it's a time to add the program to this one. So for the same, first let's see the program and then we'll do it. Now the program is shown over here. You can see that I will increase the width of this one. Now here you can see that first I have included the same header file. Okay, as I have selected this particular device PIC18F4520, so the same header file we have to include it. I have declared the function delay, which I am going to use here. You can see that the configuration elements, like the first as the oscillator, which I am keeping as a high, the another one as power and reset, I'm keeping it as a high, watchdog timer I'm keeping high off, then I'm keeping the debug off, and again I'm keeping the low voltage program as off. Now in the main program, first I'm going to do the RD0 as an output port. If I want to verify this, please recall yourself that on the RT0 I have connected my LED. So that's why I have to first program it in a output mode. So that's what I'm doing here. Then this is what a while loop for continuously on and off of the LED. So for the same, at the port D, bit number RD0, I'm first making it as 1. Then I'm calling the delay. Then I'm making it as 0. That means I'm turning the LED or high, and then I'm making it as a low. Okay. So that you can see here. Then I'm calling the delay. Here you can see the delay subroutine where I have declared the unsigned integer as I, and then I am taking I have just declared one for loop which is going from 0 to 10,000. If you want to increase the delay, you have to increase this one. So what I'm doing now, I'm just copying this program and then I'm going to the MPLAB ID. Now there I'm saying new file. I'm then pasting the program over here. Now for saving this program, you have to save it with the extension .c. So file, save as, we have to save the program in the same folder where we have created it. So go for LED interface with PIC18F. Save the program. I'm saving with m.c extension. Save it. Now after saving the program, now we have to add the same program as our source file. For the same, right click on the source file, say add file. Now you can see the file. This is what our same folder. Click on the file, say open. Now this particular file is now added to your main project. So now we have to build a project. So go to project, build on. The moment you build the project, if it is built successfully, a build successful message will come to you. At the same time, if I check my location, if I check my folders, then this is what my folder. Now in that folder, if I see what is my, so it is interface with it. Here you can see the hex file of my project. So this is what the hex file which we are going to burn in the Proteus. So go to Proteus, right click on the Proteus, no, double click on the Proteus. Here you have to add the hex file, that is program file. Click on the folder, go here. Now by default it will show you the same path. Click the hex file, say open, okay, and now simply run it. Now the moment you will run it, you will find the LED is glowing. Okay, so that's what you are going to do. Okay, now suppose if I want to, you can stop here. Now suppose I want to include one more LED over here. Simply what you have to do, you have to write the second name of the LED. So suppose I want to connect the LED on LED number 4. So I will say RD4, I'm making it as a 0. That means I'm declaring that particular RD4 as an output port. Then you have to again on it and again you have to off it. So simply make the port 1. So this port as RD4 over here. Again this one. So I'm making this one as RD4 over here. Okay. You have to save the program and then say project and build on. You have to build it again. Okay. Now the changes. Now I want to connect one more LED at RD4. Okay. So go over here. Take a LED. Okay. So for that Again, go to LED terminal. So for that, you have to select one more LED over here. So go to the terminal, then go to this one. One more components I have selected the green. Now I will take some another LED color. I will go for red now. So red animated one. Yeah. So this one is this LED red animated LED model. So select this. Now I'm taking this. I'm placing it over here. So remember I have to connect it with the RD4. So I'm taking the connection. Okay. So as we know, we have to connect the ground also. So take the ground, paste it over here and connect it. Now the second step is we have to dump the hex file, the new hex file. So double click on it. So go to the folder, select it, say open. Okay. Okay. And then run it. Now you can see both the LEDs are glowing. Now they are glowing at the same time. If you want to make them glow at the different time, you have to write one more delay subroutine. You have to arrange the delay in that way that they will glow at a different time. So that's how we are going to do the interfacing of the PIC18F4520 with the LED. Thank you for listening.